Sinit, National Harmony for People's Unity. Coalition building under the principles of national sovereignty based on Eritrean nationhood, a Maunet. Sinit Symposium 2023, Keynote Speech, March 18th and 19th, 2023, Dallas, Texas, USA. On behalf of the Eritrean Sinit movement, also known as Sinit, I am pleased to welcome everyone to today's symposium on this gorgeous day of March 18th, 2023 in the beautiful city of Dallas, Texas, USA. The central theme of the symposium is Coalition Building under the Principles of National Sovereignty based on Eritrean nationhood. Thank you for being here, for taking part, and for lending your expertise on this important topic. Sinit, as an advocate for national harmony and unity, has gathered such an impressive and diverse group of keynote speakers and panelists who will address a range of timely and essential issues to contribute to the success of the ongoing coalition-building efforts undertaken by nationalist Eritreans in the diaspora to effect change in Eritrea. Before we officially open the symposium, let me provide some critical context to our symposium. Over the last 130 years, Eritrea has endured successive colonial invasions. Consequently, the sacrifices that Eritreans have made because of colonialism and their commitment to the struggle against different colonial powers have helped shape the collective national identity, strengthen the unity of all its citizens, and develop distinct patriotic sentiments. The 30-year armed struggle culminated in attaining independence from the last colonial power, Ethiopia, on May 24, 1991. Therefore, Eritrea asserted its legal sovereignty and was declared a member of the international community in 1993. Nevertheless, the people of Eritrea have yet to enjoy justice, freedom, and democracy. At this point, we reflect on the state of our nation and the opposition in the diaspora post the recent civil war in Ethiopia. We realize the urgent need to bring our collective effort toward the new socio-political reality. Therefore, it's prudent that the Eritrean justice seekers make the needed swift changes. At Sinit, we believe the new direction should be guided by our shared understanding of the challenges facing the nationhood and sovereignty of the people and the state of Eritrea. This in turn requires an all-inclusive approach, political will, bold leadership, a trust-building process, and national reconciliation measures among Eritreans both at home and in the diaspora. Equally important is, therefore, a substantial investment of resources shared by all the stakeholders, including Eritrean political organizations, civil society groups, human rights activists, religious scholars, media groups, intellectual elites, and individual activists. Failure to make these needed drastic and timely changes will be a missed opportunity for Eritrean justice seekers. The time to act is now. With that said, let me turn your attention to the symposium for this weekend. Let me give you a brief tour of the important topics discussed in the symposium, then highlight how each panel's individual topics are interrelated. The purpose of this is to help you follow the entire program easily. The speakers and panelists will explore various topics ranging from the roots of Eritrean nationhood, which was the seed for Eritrean sovereignty, and how we can build a broad coalition around this core foundation. The first panel will present the historical roots of the Eritrean nationhood and its impact on nation building. This panel will focus on how the foundation of Eritrean society, Eritrean nationhood, helped conceptualize, cultivate, and realize the sovereign nation of Eritrea and its status after independence. The second panel will help us unlock the paradoxes of having a sovereign nation that prides itself on its roots of nationhood and apparent polarization in Eritrean politics under the topic, The Root Causes of the Current Polarization. The panel will highlight the sources of the current polarization and explain the correlation between our core foundation and the current polarization, if any. The third panel will walk us through modern Eritrea's evolution and transformation process and the identity politics that is disrupting our current political discourse under the topic, the transformation of Eritrean nationhood into Eritrean national sovereignty. The fourth and last panel will draw on the works of all the other panels and shed some light on the shadows of politics of rejection to the path of celebrating and safeguarding our nationhood and our national sovereignty, and the needed paradigm shift to work together under the topic, the path towards reconciliation and nation building. The panel will also outline the paradigm shift required beyond getting or staying together to working together to the finish line. In closing, I would like to thank you all for joining this meaningful discussion, which is vital not just for a change, but also for realizing a democratic and peaceful Eritrea, which we all aspire to achieve. There is more to be done to achieve those aspirations, but this symposium highlights the core issues by inviting subject matter experts, veterans, policymakers, and prominent activists dedicated to understanding and addressing these profound, entrenched issues. Once again, thank you for being part of this important event. Let's make the Sinit Symposium 2023 an important milestone in the history of the struggle for real change in the country we all love, Eritrea. Thank you. Eternal glory to our martyrs. God bless Eritrea.
قرب أزمرة حتى مريتها حتى مزبحرة